Welcome back. I'm Hallie with Handmade by Hallie. I am glad that you are joining me on my channel today. Today, I am going to be taking this bow that I made in one of my previous videos using ribbon from a previous bow, and I'm going to be putting it on this carrot form that I have. So let me lower the camera and let me show you what I've got gathered together for this project. We are ready to start our project. So these are the things that we're going to need. You're going to need your basic supplies like scissors, wire cutters, glue sticks, and a glue gun. We are going to be using this carrot base. Apart from a previous bow, and I showed you in a video how to repurpose your wired ribbon to make it into a new project. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have our carrot, and our glue gun is all ready to go. And I am going to take the pipe cleaners that I've put on the bottom of this bow, and I'm going to wrap right around the top right here and then cut off the excess. And this is pretty easy to go around here. Bend the end of that. Fluffed. All right. So we're going to pull this tight and turn it over and twist it on the back. And we'll hit some hot glue on the back there. There we have our that is a good sturdy stem. Let's maybe go in here a little bit more. There we go. Hiding in the flowers. Okay, so we just have these white flowers to make sure we're good and attached. Secure. bowstrings. Sorry, not the tails of the ribbon. We want the tails of the ribbon. Alright, so there we have our finished project with our ribbon from a repurposed bow with a little bunny and some florals. So thank you for joining me today.